Let us now check the masale bhat. Okay, so the masale bhat looks almost done. I'm going to flip this rice a bit and check, what's happening over there. So I'll put the phone on pause. So the rice looks well done. The tondli looks cooked. And so ideally what we would do is while serving, we will serve it topped with grated fresh coconut and cilantro. So I'll definitely take a shot of this rice once it is served. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is the first video I'm shooting the second time. You will get the joke if you have seen the previous video which I have uploaded on the channel. That's the kharik methi and kokum sar. That sar went along with the masale bhat. And I had shot the masale bhat in the morning, but while trying to upload the video, my phone acted funky and I accidentally deleted that video. So now this is my second attempt. Hope, and actually third, because there's another time when I had tried to record masale bhat with wangi, and even that got deleted. So let's cross our fingers and hope that this video goes through. So to begin with, what you see over here is the prep. I have chopped about palm filled with 2 palms filled with tondli, that is your ivy gourd, and then there is half a cup of the ambe mohor rice. I have taken only half a cup because today this is the second time I am making it. I already have leftover rice, but that won't be enough for 2 people, and adding another half cup to that same rice later will make one meal for 2 of us, and a little bit of kothimber to shower on after this is done. So let us begin with the tadka. I am using the same pot that I used in the morning. So what I'll do is, now first I have removed the masale bhat into another container and kept it aside, and so let's begin with the oil. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of oil, so that's enough. And now I will splutter the mustard seeds in this oil. So getting the masala dabba, about half a teaspoon of rai or mustard seeds, and about quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, just for fragrance. Yeah. So you can hear this spluttering, so it's right time to put in the tondli. I have split tondli into 4 parts lengthwise. Stir a bit to make sure that oil coats it, and to this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of my gondavle goda masala. For 1 cup of rice, I add about 2 teaspoons of the gondavle goda. Ooh, I'm sorry. And about quarter teaspoon of haldi and a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, and give it a stir. While we are washing the rice, just cover it and let it cook. So now let us check what's with the tondli. It's making me cough up a little bit. I'm adding the washed rice to it, giving it a stir. let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we will top up with twice the amount of water. Okay, so now I have got water in this. It is about twice the amount of the rice that we have used. So adding the water into it. I'm going to add some salt and about half a teaspoon of sugar to it. So that is the salt and sugar. I'm going to add half teaspoon of sugar. So I'm using sugar, but we always prefer jaggery, and half a teaspoon of salt. So that will make a nice balanced rice. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes since the rice has been cooking. So let us check whether it's done. Okay, well, it looks nicely done. So let me give it a flip. So I have flipped the rice, and now you see the tondli, and I'm going to cover this and leave it to cook in its own heat. We are putting off the gas, and then we'll serve it into a plate. Thanks for watching, and finally we have the video. Now I hope it goes through on YouTube.